Hello, this is Brian from Geopath, and today we'll be talking about using location filters in the Explore module of the Insights Suite. Within the Filter Inventory tab, you'll find the Location Filters options. Within here, there are several geography or location-based filters that can be used to filter inventory. The first option you'll notice here is My Saved Geography Sets, which gives you the ability to filter to a specific group of geographies that you have saved to your account. In order to save a geography set, you'll need to go to the Population library here. Let's say, for example, I wanted to create a geography set of all of the counties within the state of Rhode Island. Now that I have these specific geographies pulled up, I can use the Save icon in the bottom right to save as geography set. Now, with that saved, in the Filter Inventory tab again, under Location, I'll be able to find my Rhode Island counties geography set. Please keep in mind that geography sets saved this way function as a filter for inventory, and do not automatically filter the audience base. So you can see here my audience base is still set to those who live in the full United States, not just the counties of Rhode Island. The next option in the location filters you'll see is Custom Shape. Within that, you'll have the option to draw custom polygons or create a custom radius based around a central point. Here I'm looking at a section of the Chicago market. Let's say, for example, I wanted to use a polygon to look at inventory that falls within a certain area. For example, if I were to use certain highways as a boundary, I can use the polygon tool to draw custom points. After doing this, the tool will then show you all of the existing inventory in that area, and any bit of filtering I do beyond this will be based only on this inventory. Let's say we wanted to use the radius filter instead. In the location filters, also under Custom Shape, you'll see the radius option. Here on the map you can see Chicago's O'Hare International Airport. Let's say I wanted to use the radius filter and look at inventory that was within 5 miles of this location. By placing the point and then dragging outward, I can create a radius around a specific area. Then, by double-clicking, I'll be shown only the inventory in that specific radius that I've set up. Again, just like with the polygon filter, any bit of filtering I do beyond this will be filtering on top of this inventory in the radius, unless I clear it. Next, you'll see the Filter by Place Set and Radius option. This option will allow you to take a place set which is full of different points of interest and set an individual radius around each of those points in the set. Those radius areas can then be used as a filter for inventory. So for example, I have a place set here for Allegro Coffee locations in Boston. By selecting this place set and then setting the Constrain Results option to 3 miles, I will then be setting a 3-mile radius around each location in this place set. The inventory will be filtered to just those radius areas. Here you can see my 3 different points of interest, their respective radius areas, and the inventory found within those areas. As a note, if you'd like to create or save new place sets, you can go to the Places library and do a search there. Finally, you'll see the Filter by Specific Geography option. This filter is a very handy way to filter inventory to a specific geography such as state, DMA, CVSA, or zip code. For example, if I wanted to look at all of the out-of-home inventory in the zip code where Geopath's office is, I can search for the zip code here, and then hit Apply. Here you can see all of the inventory that's found in the specific zip code I searched for. Please note that the Filter by Specific Geography option is only a location filter for inventory, and cannot be used to constrain your audience base to a specific geography.